Hi everyone, this is Bernadette from the Sachem Public Library here to show you how to use the Heritage Quest Obituary Index. Now this database extracts information from obituaries found on newspapers.com, dating from the early 1800s to current. You can find information such as gender, birth and death date, age at death, marriage date and place, death or burial date, residence and or death place, obituary date and place, names of relatives such as parents, spouse, children, and original publication details. So we're going to start at the sachemlibrary.org homepage. We're going to go to Services and Resources, and then click on Research and Databases. We're going to click on H, click on the home icon next to Heritage Quest, and log in with our library card barcode and password. This takes us to the Heritage Quest homepage. If we scroll down to the bottom and click Search Now, we'll be taken to the newspapers.com obituary index database. As well as typing in your ancestor's name, you can input other information to narrow down your results. You can enter a location that your ancestor might have lived in, the details of an important event, the names of their relatives, the date and place of the obituary's publication, and keywords, such as occupation or military affiliation. So I'm going to input what I know about my ancestor, which is his name and the name of his wife. And then I'm going to press enter. And it looks like there are two results for him. This is because he probably had obituaries run in a couple different publications. So I'm going to click on View Record. And here I can see information such as the age he was at his death, an estimate of his birth date, his birthplace, where he lived when he died, an estimate of his death date, the date of his obituary, and the place where the obituary was published. I can also see the names of his spouse and children. If I scroll down, I can see the title of the newspaper that it was published in. If I would like to save this document, I could simply press Send Document and email it to myself, or press View Printer Friendly and print it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and happy researching.